What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Corvette. Glad you are tuning in, and we are at the Detail Garage Northwest San Antonio for their January event. And there's a ton of cars here, guys, so I'm going to try to get as much of them as I can. Suns are starting to come up, but hopefully we have a good turnout. Anyway, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And I'm trying to bring in you guys as many videos as possible. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the rounds in, guys. All right, guys, I'm at a random section, but I'm just going to start making the rounds here. A couple Mustangs. Porsche, couple Vettes, one of my buddies here, 666 yellow Grand Sport C6. It's got I think it's the A&A. Yep. A&A kit on it. Guys, check out the Lightning. Look at that. He's got shots in the front. That's freaking cool. Shots. Dang, guys, check out these Mustang Shelby GT500s. Legacy GT350 looking clean. Nice 5.0, like the cow hood, the wheels set up. More Corvette action. It's got a blower on it. Both of them got a blower on it. The yellow one and this gray one. Guys, we got Hayden 5.0 parked over here on the side. Looks insane, sounded insane. Oh boy, look at that. Guys, look at this Nissan 370. Look at that V8 swap, side pipes on the front. It sounded insane. Look at the fat tires on the back. This car was insane. It sounded so loud. You know this car's quick. And we got some more Vettes. Nice yellow C7 Z06. Gray C7 Z06, Fox body, and listen to that chop, chop, chop. I heard him coming around. It's chopping too. It's chopping too. It's chopping too. C6 Z06, baby. Oh my gosh. Guys, check out this R8. Oh, he barely clears it. It's like super freaking close. Oh my gosh, that thing is nasty. All right, guys, there's just too many cars here to film. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to do my best to get these. But I'm on the backhand side by Chick-fil-A. Nice Evo right here. 666, and the SS as well. Looks real clean. Lots of other cars over there you can kind of see. I'm gonna check out this one though. Hold on, I see something that spots my eye. It's like a classic Camaro, I think. Look at that cow hood on there. That's nice. Yeah, I think so. Another Evo, guys. Look at the fat tires on there. And another one. I like the wheels, calipers. Check out that. Look on the hood. That is nice. That's clean. I'll just do a little shot of a bunch of other stuff. You can just kind of see everything that's kind of over here. Lots of tuners. Man, holy Whipple. Look at the Whipple on that. Oh, we got a nice Shelby GT 500 over here. 1314 50 swap on that one. Lots of Fox bodies, guys.
That was a recent upgrade.
Oh yeah, I just saw it go.
And we got some orange C8 action. I like the wheels, all the aero. That looks really good on this one. And the same thing with this one too. Just got it.
Do we have anything special there? Did you say anything?
Sorry about the sun, guys, in the video. Lotus right here. And we got a couple classics, some trucks coming in. Mach 1, new Mach 1. Oh, there he is, Legacy. It's Legacy. GT350 leaving. Bye, man. This looks so good. Sounds good. Hey, don't do anything crazy because I write plate number down. Check it, guys. Celine 0304 Terminator Cobra. Just like the one I had, silver. Oh my gosh, it's bringing back memories. Very nice blue C7 Z06 right here. All by its lonesome. Car's left, but it looks great. Had to get the whip in it. Alright guys, that's pretty much the video. I try to get as much as I can. I had a bunch of people who come up to me and a bunch of friends and stuff, family, so I was trying to hang out with them while getting the video as well. But we still got a bunch of other videos. Nice C6 Z06 right here, as you can see. And it's got a supercharger on top right there. But this won't be the last video that we do, guys. We're gonna have plenty more in the future, so don't worry about that. All right, guys, well, that was pretty much the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on my channel, and I'll be bringing more videos to you as possible. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. All right, peace.